results, you need your WAEC exam card. And many people have not gotten the exam card or know what to do with the exam card. So just follow this video as I put you through on how you can get your WAEC exam card and how you can possibly use it to check out your WAEC result. Okay? As a WAEC candidate, this is part of the things you need. This is part of the things you paid for. You don't need to pay for it again. As a WAEC candidate, you should have this exam card. Now, an exam card looks this way. I'm sure you can look at it from my screen. Just follow me. There should be a place for your passport. Then, of course, place for your name, other names, your date of birth, your gender, your exam number, your center number, the name of your school, and all the rest. Then at the back, you will see this. Candidates whose name and photograph appear at this card must take the card, something like that. So it's your property as somebody that wrote WAEC. But then at the back also, at the back of this card, you will have a space for serial number and PIN number. This is very, very important. Your serial number and PIN number. It is contained in that WAEC exam card. If you are going to be able to check your WAEC result with this, it is contained. And you can use this serial number and PIN number for, I think, 5 times to check your WAEC result. Okay? Now, if you check the earlier video we did, I had taught you how to check your WAEC result online. If you have not seen it, go over to our YouTube channel and check for that particular video, or just tell me and I will send it to you. By the way, if you need me to help you to check your WAEC result, if you need any guidance concerning writing WAEC, NECO, JAMB, or if you want to join our study group, or if you need any guidance concerning anything, WAEC, BESE, anything, just do 3 things. Like this video immediately. Just click on like, then subscribe to this YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. When you subscribe, come under this video and tell me, I have subscribed. I have subscribed, and I'll begin to guide you. Okay? So, how are you going to get your WAEC result? I was saying that you need that exam card, because once you follow those processes I told you about in the other video of how to check your WAEC result. If you watch this video to the end, I will share that particular video to you. You will see that once you click that link I told you about in that video, at the end of this video, you will see the particular video. You will see there is a place for serial number. I'm sure you can see it from my screen. Serial number and PIN. So it is from that your WAEC exam card, this particular kind of card, that you'll be able to find out your serial number and your PIN. Are you with me? It is from that particular card that you'll be able to find out your serial number and your PIN. Now, how do you get your serial number and your PIN? I mean, it's already in this card. How do you get this card? Just go to the school where you wrote your WAEC and demand for this card. If they have given it to you, better you hold it. Once your result is out, if it's not already out, you use it and check out your result. But if it has not been given to you, approach your school, the particular center where you wrote your WAEC, ask them to give it to you. If you are still writing WAEC, ensure you collect it before the end of the exam, because some schools might want to collect money from you before they issue the card to you. But I need you to know that it is your property. Demand for your WAEC exam card. If you have not watched this particular video, breaking news about the release of the 2024 WAEC exams, also let me know. Go over to our channel and check them out. In our channel, you see several other videos on how to check your results and what all these grading systems mean. Go over to our channel, check on these things right now. Go to your school and get your exam card. Remember to do 3 things. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Come under the comment and tell me that you have subscribed. Then if there are other questions, any area you need us to guide you, I will also be here to do that. Thank you, and I wish you good luck. If you want us to also help you to check your WAEC result, comment under this video and say you want us to help you check your WAEC result, and we will do just that. Thank you so much.